learners, this is our very first lecture of fundamental analysis, and today we will be discussing about fundamental analysis, that what actually is fundamental analysis and what is the use of fundamental analysis. If I talk about investors, so let's suppose you want to invest in securities of company, right? Now what you will be doing, generally there are two techniques. If you want to invest in any company, so you will be using any one of the techniques. So there are two techniques. First one is fundamental analysis and second one is technical analysis. So first I will be discussing about fundamental analysis and what actually is fundamental analysis. So in case of fundamental analysis, what we do, we read the details of company, right? We read about company. This is the very first step of fundamental analysis, right? We read each and everything about company, that when company has been started and what is the goal of a company, what is the objective of any company, why company has been formed, how, what are the strategies company they are following to make their business better, right? We will check the financial statement of company. We will also read that what are the future plans of company, right? Who is the governing body of company? So these all things we will be reading in detail, right? And we will learn that what you have to read and how you have to read in coming sessions. So this is what fundamental analysis, right? So basically fundamental analysis is a logical analysis. So let's suppose if you are planning to invest in some company for a longer period, here I'm not talking about speculator or trader, let's suppose what is the intention, that you want to grow your money, you don't want to trade in stock. Simply what you want to do, you want to invest your money. What is the meaning of investor? Investor means who invest their money for a longer period, right? They want capital return in the sense, if they are investing 100 rupees today, so definitely after a couple of years or maybe after 5-10 years, they want 4 times 5 times return, right? So this is what a basic intention of any investor. They don't trade in securities. Once they are investing, they keep that money in that stock only, in specific stocks, right? So what investors do before they invest their money in any stock, they do detailed analysis of that particular stock, right? And this detailed analysis is a fundamental analysis, right? This is what a fundamental analysis. We will read that what specific things you have to check when you are doing detailed analysis of company, right? Now if I talk about technical analysis is generally applicable for traders. Who what actually traders do, they buy securities and they are into regular purchase and sale of securities, right? So let's suppose today any trader, he is buying some security, right? And let's suppose after a couple of days or maybe after a week, he is able to make some profit. Let's suppose today he has invested 100 rupees and after a couple of weeks or after a week, he is able to achieve profit of 10 rupees. So here what trader will do, trader will immediately sell this stock. So this is what a technical analysis, right? So fundamental analysis means detailed analysis of stock. Now today I want to discuss very important thing with you, right? What usually investors think, or what usually trader thinks, or what usually public thinks, that stock market is totally dependent upon, say, demand and supply. It is totally dependent upon demand and supply. I am saying this is a myth, right? People think that stock market is totally dependent upon supply and demand. No. If person is investing in any security on the basis of demand or supply, let's suppose I'm taking example of Zomato. When Zomato got listed, it has achieved a price, or you can say it was listed at rupees 126. And if you see the current Zomato's price, so today the price of Zomato is 77 rupees. So what usually companies do, they create market, right? They try to market their shares in public, right? In front of public, they try to market their shares, right? So suddenly what people do, people start bidding, right? So let's suppose if there is a stock which is very famous in market, right? So what people do, people will bid more amount for that particular stock, right? And if people, they are bidding, or if any individual is bidding more value for that particular stock, so definitely its value go high, right? But after times when market realize that this stock is not performing well, or the financials of this particular stock is not that much strong, right? So there will be sudden decline in the price of specific stock. You can see the price of Paytm, you can see the price of Zomato. Right now they are trading, those stocks are trading lesser than half price, right? They got listed at 126 and current price is around 75, 77 rupees, right? So if you are planning to invest your money properly, so what you have to do, you have to do fundamental analysis, right? Technical analysis won't be helping you if you want to invest your money for a longer period. Yeah, if you want to earn small amount, sometimes technical analysis will help you. So what is technical analysis? What you do, you see the chart of stock, that how stock is performing, right? And with the help of this chart, what you will do, you will forecast that how this chart will move, right? If you're focusing that this chart will go down, definitely you won't be investing in this stock, right? If you feel that this chart will go up, definitely what you will be doing, you will be investing into this stock. So this is what a basic difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis, right? So I would like to give you one example here. Here I have taken the stock of Zomato. You can see the stock of Zomato. Initially, when Zomato got listed, the listing price was 126 rupees. Here you can see the listing price was approximately 126 rupees, right? And it was growing. Initially, the price of Zomato was growing. Why it was growing? Because they have created a such kind of mindset in market that Zomato price will go up and up, right? Now, if you see what is the current price, the today's price of Zomato is 78 rupees approximately. You can see it is almost 50% of listed price, right? So now people, they realize that Zomato is not working better, and market also realizes that Zomato is not working better, and accordingly the share price is calculated of Zomato. So you can see here Zomato. If we see the profits of Zomato, so Zomato is making, if I talk about the profit here, so you can see Zomato is making losses here, right? So be smart before investing your hard-earned money, right? And what is technical analysis? With the help of this chart, what analysts do, they try to predict that how share will perform in coming days. This is what a technical analysis. In detail, we will be discussing more about technical and fundamental analysis. So stay tuned with us for better and more learning. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. #स्किल से करियर तक हम आपके साथ हैं.